In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Figma drafts files to a team project. Moving a file out of your personal drafts and into a team project is a simple way to make your work visible, collaborative, and organized. It also ensures the file inherits your team's permissions and lives alongside related work, which makes it easier for teammates to discover and contribute. Start by heading to your Figma homepage. If you're already in a file, click the home icon to return. In the left sidebar, open Drafts to see all the files you've created privately. This is your personal workspace, and anything here isn't automatically visible to your team unless you've shared it explicitly. Find the file you want to move and select it. A single click highlights it so you can act on it. This is a good moment to double check you've got the right file and, if helpful, quickly rename it so it's easy for your teammates to recognize once it's in the project. Next, right-click the file and choose Move File. You can also access this from the three-dot menu on the file card if you prefer. This action opens the Move dialog, where you'll decide exactly where the file should live. In the dialog, choose the team and the specific project where you want the file to go. Projects are folders within a team that help keep design work grouped by product area, client, or initiative. If you don't see the team or project you're expecting, you may not have access to it yet. Or you might need the right permissions. In that case, ask a team admin to grant you access or add you to the project before trying again. Once you've picked the destination, click Move. Figma will transfer the file from your drafts to the selected project. This usually happens instantly, and your existing share links will keep working so you won't break documentation or bookmarks. Keep in mind that after moving, the file follows the team's permission rules. Your individual sharing settings remain, but team-level restrictions could limit who can edit or view. Finally, navigate to the Team Project folder to confirm the move. Open the team, select the project, and you'll see the file listed there. If you use it frequently, consider starring the project for quicker access. From here, you can organize the file alongside related work, adjust sharing as needed, and continue collaborating with your team. That's it. You've successfully moved the file from drafts to a team project, keeping your work tidy, collaborative, and easy to find.